Welcome back to Senior Fitness Labs. Today, we're diving into the world of radiant skin. If you've ever wondered about the secret to achieving that youthful glow, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be talking about the incredible impact that our diet can have on our skin. Before we jump into the list of amazing anti-aging foods, let's quickly touch on why what we eat matters for our skin. Our skin is a reflection of our overall health, and certain nutrients play a key role in promoting elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and giving us that coveted youthful appearance. Collagen, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids are just a few of the essential nutrients that contribute to skin health. Now, let's get into the foods that are rich in these skin-loving nutrients. Number 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from oxidative stress and premature aging. Number 2. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy complexion. Number 3. Avocados. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E, promoting skin hydration and elasticity. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are excellent sources of nutrients like vitamin E and omega-3, supporting skin health from the inside out. Number 5. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to skin firmness and radiance. And there you have it. The secret to radiant, tighter skin is right on your plate. Remember, beauty starts from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Senior Fitness Labs for more beauty and wellness content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay beautiful and nourish your skin from the inside out.